All right, I'm going to show you how to do a half double crochet. It's kind of in between a single crochet and a double crochet, and it's easy to get the stitches confused. So I'm going to show you the difference. All right, I've already chained about 15, and that's my foundational stitch. And for my turning chain, whatever your pattern calls for, depending upon the stitch you're using, I'm going to go back 1, 2, 3. So basically I have 2 extra chains that when I do it, it'll give me a little bit of width here that'll fill in so it's not so tight and kind of pointy at the end. So first thing I'm going to do is go 1, 2, there's my chains. I'm going to wrap my yarn over, insert it in the top of the chain, yarn over again and pull that through the chain. And notice I have 3 loops on my hook. Yarn over again and pull all 3 of them through. So let's try it again. This time I'm going to go in the top of the next chain. So what we're going to try to do is be consistent too when we go in the top of each chain so our chain doesn't get twisted. So I'm going to yarn over, go through the stitch, the chain, yarn over again, pull that through, 3 loops and all the way through. Again, half double crochet. Yarn over, through, yarn over, and pull all 3 through. Watch, we'll do a few more. I use my fingers a lot to hold, especially when the piece is so small, so I can see. Sometimes your hook wants to get stuck. That's okay. All right, so far that's what we have. This is a half double crochet. It's a little bit bigger than a single crochet, but not as big as a double or a triple crochet. Let's finish our row. All right, and so that, I'm going to loosen that up so you can see, that is a row of half double crochet. And the good thing about crocheting, if you mess up, you can just pull it all out and start over. It's very forgiving. Happy crocheting!